Welcome back to Math Solver 1117 where math become easy and fun. In today's video we will solve an interesting Olympiad math problem that look tricky, but when we solve it become very easy and simple. Problem is 9 by 4 raised to power 9 by 4. You have to find the value of this. So we will solve this as first of all we can write 9 by 4 whole power is 9 by 4. So 9 is the square of 3. So we write this as 3 square, and this is also 4 is the square of 2. So we write this as 2 square, and whole power is 9 by 4. Now we can take 2 as common from this. So 3 by 2 whole power is 2 and its power is 9 by 4. Now this 2 is multiplied by this power. So we have 3 by 2 whole power is 2 multiplied by 9 by 4. Now make it simplifying. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So we can write this as 3 by 2 whole power is 9 by 2. So we will write this further as 9 is divided by 2. So we get equals 3 by 2, and then 1 plus, and the remaining is 4 plus 5, because 9 can be write as 4 plus 5. So make it more simplifying. It will become 3 by 2 and 4 by 2 plus 5 by 2. Then in the next step this will become 3 by 2, and it will be solved. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4. So 2 plus 5 by 2. Now when the powers are added, it's mean they are multiplied. So 3 by 2 square into 3 by 2 power is 5 by 2. 5 by 2. Now 3 square is 9 and 2 square is 4. So this will become 3 power 5 or 3 power 1 by 2 or 2 power 1 by 2, and whole power is 5. It's mean we will write this as 9 by 4, and then it is square root of 3, and this is square root of 2, and whole power is 5. In the next step we will solve this further as this will equals 9 by 4, and this will be 5 times. So square root 3 multiply square root 3 multiply square root 3 multiply square root 3 and multiply square root 3. And this is square root 2 5 times. So now we will make the pairs of this. So 9 by 4 square root 3 square multiply square root 3 square multiply square root 3, and in the denominator we have square root 2 square multiply square root 2 square multiply square root of 2. So this will be equal 9 by 4. This square is cancelled out by this square root, and this is cancelled out. So multiply 3 multiply square root of 3, and divided by 2 multiply square root of 2. So this will become 9 3s are 27, and 27 3s are 81. So 81 by 4 2s are 8, and 8 2s are 16. and square root of 3 by square root of 2. Now we will solve this further. We will do the rationalization of this. So multiply and divide by square root of 2. So we get 81 square root of 3 multiply square root of 2 and 16 multiply square root of 2 whole square. So 81 square root of 6 divided by 16 multiply 2. So we get 81 square root 6 by 32. So this is the final answer. We will write this here. 81 square root of 6 divided by 32. So this is the final answer. If you found this video helpful, subscribe Math Solver 1117 and also hit the bell icon to get notification for all upcoming videos. In the next video, we will solve another Olympiad math problem. Best of luck for your exam. Stay tuned.